Hi, I am Lakshmi Suresh from Palakkad. I'm a second year student from BSMU. So the question why I chose BSMU, the major factor was the MCI result. Of course, our university has 80% of the result. And yeah, about the faculties, we have a great talented faculties in every department. And about the accommodation, we have separate hostels for both girls and boys, and on each floor we have separate kitchens as well as washrooms. Downstairs we have a library where you can go and study, and also Wi-Fi is also accessible. Then yeah, if you have a fear of sending your girl child to that place, so I would say no need to worry, everything will be safe and secure. Then now which I'm going to talk about, I think parents would be more happy because our university demands 100% of the attendance, so your child cannot bunk or skip classes without any justified reason. So, if he or she is not going to class, so she have to pay a fine amount and also a receipt in which dean has to be signed in it. And another thing is the educational system in which we have a rule that we have to prepare on our daily topics, and the teacher will assess your child in a marks of 5, and minimum your child has to score 3 marks. Then only he or she will be allowed to write the SEM exam. And I think this is a very good rule because we'll be in a regular and scheduled time period for studies. And at the end of the semester, your child will not feel sad or depressed because they have a huge portion to study, because from the beginning itself we are with the teachers in the studies. And yeah, the next thing which I was very impressed of this university was not only academics but also co-curricular activities also supported, such as sports and arts. We have so many events here to shine up and bright yourself, show your talent. And yeah, we also celebrate many festivals which are celebrated in India. Being a Keralite, I would say we celebrate Onam, Vishu also. Then, yeah, we all know Corona is going on. At the moment, I feel very proud of being a BSMEN was when everything was shut in Ukraine, university was also closed. So I think within 3 to 4 days, they started our online class. So we were really surprised because within a small period of time, they let everything into time and back to schedule, and we didn't have any lag for the completing SEM exam also. We got the complete 2 months of the summer vacations also. So this shows our university is very responsible, and they are responsible for the students also. They have a plan B for every situation. So yeah, I was really happy. And yeah, when the first corona case was declared in Ukraine, we all were quarantined in our respective hostels itself, and the food was provided in the hostels by the ISS members. So I really thank them also, their efforts behind it. And yeah, I'm not regretting the choice of taking BSMU as my university, and I sincerely thank all the efforts and the man behind for introducing me to the BSMU, that is Dr. Sunil sir from the MD House, and also Mary Zita Educational Consultancy. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm super happy and satisfied with this university, and I hope I welcome everyone to this university. Best wishes to all the upcoming aspirants, and yeah, welcome to BSMU. Thank you.